My nature rises. My nature rises in the skies, peeking through cumulus clouds, standing firm as the wind collides on my structure. Cool temperatures pull my freedoms, and I'm a staff. When I release him to the world, he follows no path. He only seeks the heat from the sun. That I-tyranny where he can become one with his purpose of connecting and injecting the internal blood flows. Ready to perform as the wind air blows in waves, no flag, no stripes. Only a natural skin and colored caramel holds. My nature rises as he grows to reach his capacity and length. He stands strong to prove his strength. As joining me in manhood, he rises to create formations of a prong in relations with wood, skinned of his bark. Tools follow my nature's rise as the tools follow the Noah's Ark. My nature rises not always on command. Transfusions has entered the sextert of my adrenal glands. And the strand, the plan to dictate the man for his usage. The thought has to be translucent, guiding my emotions to be obtuse to it. Sticking me in heavy grasses, blinding me with the eye-opening flashes of a sought-out betterment. The wet earth is meant to be chased and caught by my rise, to conquer and defrail the wisdom of his counterpart. Is the reason he never lies flat. He rises to boldly enter the realms of silk. He carries messages of life in forms of milk, and it will create mixtures of perfections. My rise is a simple way to say an erection, to grow, to feel, to soar, to enter, to build on the land of his counterpart. He pulls blood from every single limb to perform his duty in a nature. My rise is mine, and mine alone, casting me into my manhood, standing as a king of my dome. I rise with nature. I am poetically written.